Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you something different. What I'm cooking today for my family. I'm going to prepare a very saucy, cheesy lasagna today. So I thought I should have a separate video and not include it within the vlog. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy this video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, share button. Don't forget to like, comment down below. So yeah, I'm not a professional cook, but I am one person who loves cooking. I love cooking for my family. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, I think it's important to just have your ingredients prepared on time. I used 3 medium-sized tomatoes, some grated mozzarella cheese, 4 garlic cloves, and fresh parsley, and obviously an onion. I used 1 large onion. I'm just going to heat my oil. I just used about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to saute my onion and some garlic. Just saute for about a minute until you see the onion being a bit see-through like. And then I used 500 grams of lean mincemeat. Time to add our spices. I'm using half tablespoon of oregano, half teaspoon of cumin, though I used less because mine is getting finished. Half tablespoon of parsley, herbs, you can use the fresh one, and half tablespoon of thyme. I love garlic salt, so I'm adding half tablespoon of it. I mean, what's a meal without black pepper and salt? As you can see, I'm using a pinch of each, and I'm gonna mix my herbs. They smell so good. Everything smells divine. I'm now adding my tomatoes. I just realized after adding them that I needed 1 more, so I diced 1 more tomato, and you'll see how many tomatoes I used in the description box below. I then add 1 teaspoon of paprika. This is optional guys, but I think you should add it. It just adds some color to your sauce. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Please make sure that you have this in place. It actually improves the flavor of the tomato in your sauce, and it also helps to thicken the sauce. I'm then adding 2 cubes of chicken stock. You can use the liquid one. I don't have a liquid one, so I used the cubes, and then later add some more sauces. We said we were making a saucy lasagna, so definitely we need a lot of sauces. I'm adding 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce just to add some flavor and richness on my sauce, and also adding some chutney. Instead of sugar to balance the sourness from the tomatoes. I'm adding enough water to cover my sauce, which is approximately 3 cups of water. Then let the sauce simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. I'm preparing another sauce. I'm doing white sauce right now. So I'm just taking about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and heat it up in the pot, making sure that it doesn't boil. Just lower your heat and it will melt slowly. I'm adding 2.5 tablespoons of flour. You can use cornstarch. Just stir frequently until you get this nice creamy mixture. Make sure that the flour is well incorporated in butter. As soon as you start seeing bubbles, you can add cold milk. I'm using 2 cups of cold milk. Making sure that the heat is reduced and stirring frequently. I'm seasoning accordingly using half teaspoon of salt and pepper. Like I said guys, I really love garlic salt, so I'm also adding a 1/4 teaspoon of it in my sauce. And keep on whisking, you'll get this amazing consistency. My white sauce is done, so let me just quickly check up on my mincemeat, my other sauce. And it looks perfect guys, and it definitely tastes amazing. I'm preparing the last sauce guys, we're almost done. I'm using ricotta cheese, 250 grams of it. Then adding 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese and 2 beaten eggs and some parsley to add flavor. Guys, you will never go wrong with that. I prefer to season with some salt and pepper for taste, and obviously because I'm gonna use uncooked lasagna sheets. Now preparing the last step, I am covering my casserole with the mincemeat sauce, the first juicy sauce, and I'm also adding some lasagna sheets. Depending on the size of your casserole, just make sure that you cover the casserole. I'm adding 4 lasagna sheets. And then add my cheesy sauce on top of the lasagna sheets, making sure that I spread it all evenly. I then add my mincemeat on top of the cheesy sauce. And then add my white sauce. Make sure that you divide your portions into 3 because we're gonna have 3 layers. What is lasagna without mozzarella cheese? I'm spreading evenly the mozzarella cheese and leaving some for the next layers. I'm adding some toothpick just to prevent the cheese from sticking onto the foil. But this is mostly effective when the lasagna sheets have been cooked prior because you can be able to peel through the lasagna sheets. Bake your lasagna for 45 minutes and ta-da! I'm just checking if the lasagna sheets are thoroughly cooked, and definitely cooked. I'm taking back my lasagna into the oven for 15 minutes just to broil it, to make it more brown on top. And we are done. Just make sure you take out the toothpicks, right? And I'm just going to garnish using some parsley. Looks beautiful. I'm letting my lasagna to rest for about 20 minutes just to cool down and be ready to serve. Thank you so much guys for watching. This tastes so good, amazing. It was still hot though. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my cooking videos, please do let me know in the comment section below. Bye!